Determinant of a matrix. If you are interested to find the determinant of any matrix, so I have just simplified it. So let us consider we have got a 2 cross 2 matrix, and before entering into determinant you should keep in mind that it is determinant concept is valid only for square matrices. It is valid only for square matrix. It is not valid for rectangular or non-square matrix. Fine. So now let us consider we have a 2 cross 2 matrix which is A, B, C, D. If you want to find the determinant, simply you need to multiply this, that is AD, and then minus BC for 2 cross 2. And for 3 cross 3 you can write in this, that is A times minor of this. We will introduce the term called minor and cofactor sometime later, but for the time being you remember that if you want to find the determinant of matrix B, you write this element A and then delete this row and then delete this column, and whatever the matrix that you have, you find the determinant. You write this matrix first, okay? With then we have a negative, put a negative sign, and then with this and B, and then delete this row, delete this column. So the elements left you have D, F, G, I. So find the determinant of this, and then write plus C, and then delete this column, delete this row. Whatever is left, D, E, G, H, you write here. Now if you do that, find the determinant, expand it, you will get this expression. So in example, let's see, we have a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to find the determinant of this, then 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, you will get this value. Now in this important thing, you need to keep in mind that number of terms in the expansion of the determinant of matrix of order n cross n. So let's say if you have a matrix of order n cross n, in that case you want to find the number of terms in the expansion of the determinant. That means if you are expanding the determinant, how many terms will appear? So the answer is n factorial. So this is a direct objective question. Sometimes they ask. So please remember this statement. So if you want to verify it, let's see here. Let's see an example 1. We have a matrix A which is 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I ask you what are the number of terms which you will get in the expansion of this. So of course you can say that, sir, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Order is 2. So we can say that this is 2 factorial, which is 2. So let's prove it. We have a determinant A, so you can simply write it 5 into 2 and then minus 4 into 3. If you multiply this 5 into 2, you'll get 10, and then if you multiply 4 into 3, you'll get 12. How many terms how many terms are appearing? 2 terms, yes. So first term is 10, second term is minus 12. So 2 terms are appearing, which we have verified from this formula. Clear? So you're happy? Next, for 3 cross 3 matrix, the number of terms in the expansion, of course, we will say that it is 3 factorial, which is 6. So let's verify. So if we find the determinant of this, you can write in this manner. You can expand this. You are clever enough to write this. Now if you expand this totally, you will get 6 expressions. These all 6 expressions, and hence again verified. Fine. So these were some important things related to the topic determinant of matrix. See you in the next lecture. Till then, bye.